Hi, I'm a librarian from Wollongong City Libraries, and today I'll be showing you how to use Mango. It's a free language learning app that you can find through our website or any app store you happen to be a part of. With over 70 languages available, getting into a new language has never been easier. First things first, you go to our library website. On the top menu, scroll down the hamburger menu to open Learn. Scroll down from there to find Learn a Language. From here, expand the section that reads Learn a Language Online with Mango. Click the link to enter their website. The landing page is designed easily for people to log in, whether as an already established account or as a guest. Here, we're going to sign up. You fill in your details, like your email address and library card number here. After clicking Sign Up, check your email for a verification link that'll take you back to the website. From here, Mango shows you the options for language selection. If you don't find the one you're looking for, simply search for the language or click See All to see everything that's available. Once you pick your language, you'll be taken to the course page. Here, you can see all your course chapters for the language, which gives you the option to jump to other parts if you want to. When you're ready, click Start, and you'll be on your language journey.
By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to easily participate in a conversation like this.
Blow me down, the ship's becalmed.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck with your language journey, and if you want to see more great videos like this, follow our Facebook page that you can access through the website or through various websites.